Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to post a video on Steam. First, open Steam on your computer and sign in to your account. Look at the top right corner of the window where your profile name appears. Click on your profile name and then select Profile from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your profile page. On the right side of your profile page, you will see several options. Click on Videos. If you have never posted a video before, the page will be empty, but you will see an option to add videos. Steam does not let you upload video files directly. Instead, you need to connect your YouTube account. Click on the link that says, "You can connect your YouTube account." A new window will appear asking you to sign in with your YouTube or Google account. Enter your login details and confirm that you want to give Steam access. Once your accounts are linked, Steam will display your YouTube videos. From there, you can choose which videos you want to share on Steam. This makes it easy to share gameplay or tutorials with the community. Thanks for watching.